Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be an evening speed clean with me, so if you enjoy these kind of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you, and let's get into today's video. So I'm going to start off by cleaning my bedroom slash office. As you can see, my bedroom has kind of turned into my workplace during the pandemic. I am working from home currently, and I did start off by working in the conservatory in a desk we have out there, but it is freezing at the moment. So I've set up my computer in my bedroom. So I'm just going to start off by organising my bedroom and just making it feel a little bit more homely and clean.
The leaves are turning brown, I'm still looking for you. The snow is falling down, and I'm still searching for you. I never thought it through, always thought it would be me and you. I never really thought it through, but I won't stop searching for you.
So next up, I'm going to start off by cleaning my bathroom. So I'm going to basically just give everywhere a bit of a bleach and a freshen up and just make it a little bit more clean in here. Like I said, this is just a speed clean and I will be doing my full deep bathroom clean at the weekend as normal.
Just begun, and I'm still looking for you. The storm will hunt us down, but it won't keep me from finding you. I never thought it through, always thought it would be me and you. I never really thought it through, but I won't stop searching for you.
So moving on to the kitchen, this is the state of our kitchen after a busy day and also after cooking dinner. So again, I'm just going to give it a blitz round, give it a clean, nothing too deep and intense, but just something so it's nice and clean to go to bed with.
For you, the snow is falling down, and I'm still searching for you.
And guys, that is the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post 3 times a week, and it's probably going to be a little bit more now anyway with coming up to Vlogmas. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, please hit the big like button, please subscribe, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.